Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the canonical tag. Stay tuned. The canonical tag is an HTML tag that you insert onto a page that contains some duplicate content, and this is purely for SEO. This will tell the search engine bot that is crawling your site that this is not the web page you want them to rank. The original content is on another page, and in the canonical tag is a URL to the original. So let's take a look here. I have a sample page and I have a duplicate of the sample page. So this is the canonical tag right here. This is the template you'll use. You'll insert this into the head section of your HTML. So head, and then before the closing head tag, you will add this bit of text. So as you can see here, it's a link, and it has a rel equals canonical followed by href followed by the original URL. So I'm just going to copy this. It's very simple to use. The canonical tag goes on the duplicate page, and you see I have actually already added this. You're going to need a plugin called Header and Footer Scripts, which I've already downloaded and activated. Once that is activated, you're going to see this little box on the edit page of every web page. And in this box, anything you put in this box will go to the HTML head section. So I just copy in my canonical tag, and in this section I put a link to the original web page. So I'm going to grab the link from the original and paste it into the duplicate page. The original page doesn't need a canonical tag. The canonical tag only needs to be on the duplicate page. And this instructs the Google bot or the Bing bot to not index this page, to rather index the original page. And that's it. That's how you use the canonical tag. Another method is to use Yoast to add your canonical tag. All you have to do is scroll down to advanced, and under canonical URL, add your original web page. And keep in mind, the canonical tag only goes on the duplicate page. Nothing needs to be added to the original web page. I hope you found something valuable from this. Please like, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and have a great day.